we're getting ready to make some air fryer sauerkraut and beef sausage. Now I know most people have sauerkraut and wieners. We're having sauerkraut and beef sausage. So we cut up some beef sausage, get it ready, and we're going to layer, just spray a little mist of olive spray in the bottom of this air fryer pan. Then we're going to add this sauerkraut. Now this sauerkraut, I made this. This is my homemade sauerkraut. Now I'm going to tell you what, this sauerkraut tastes really good. Now most people use a skillet, and that's what I usually use. But you're going to see this and find that it comes out just like if you fried it in the skillet. Now we get it spread out there on the bottom of the pan, get everything ready, and then we'll take it to the air fryer. Now we'll set this to 400 degrees. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes without the sausage on it. Okay, we get the temperature and time set. We're ready to go. Well, looky there, it's almost been 5 minutes. Yeah, all right, it looks like it shut off. We're going to take this out, kind of get it ready for the next step. Okay, now we're going to add the sausages to the sauerkraut. Get them all placed around on there just right. It's got to be, well, it don't have to be perfect. Just place it around there. Look at there, that looks good. Now I'm going to put a little bit of SPG on there, and then we're going to mist it with just a little bit of olive oil. That oil sprayer is fantastic. Now we place it in the air fryer. We're going to go 5 minutes, but we're going to, at about 2 minutes, we're going to take and kind of mix it up a little bit here. Hey, now we're going to take these little tongs and we're going to stir this around a little bit. And you can see how it's starting to turn brown. Now we'll place it back in the air fryer. Finish up with them 3 minutes. Oh yeah, this looks great. We'll get this transferred over to this fine china. And if you didn't know any better, you would have thought it was fried in the skillet. Hey, if you like the video, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing.